What's going on, Victor? This is Austin with AOK Digital Marketing. I spoke with you earlier. I used to work at LA Fitness, and I called you about your athletic band. So let's get to them, man. So you have a pretty good web page. It's pretty. It looks good, but unfortunately, Google does not care or rank based off a website and how pretty or how good it looks, right? They rank off three things. They rank off of authoritative content, backlinks, and citations, right? So looking for the right amount of keywords that you have on your website, along with if you have the right citations and if you have the right backlinks, okay? So go into your stuff and see you have resistance bands, supplements, gym wear, package deals, and all of these are your back pages. What I see that you also have in this website is obviously you have your own store, which is pretty awesome. So try to get some more exposure to that store and how to rank these pages separately. That'd be the best way to do it. .com/collection/all products. Smart way to do it. Ambassador program kind of gives you that. Contact me right there. So let me just go ahead and show you. Whenever you type in resistance bands, right? It's in general, your biggest competitor is going to be wholesale, okay? So, or retail. So it's going to be Walmart, Target. You have Dick's Sporting Goods. You know, that's really like your biggest competitors. Then obviously online, you have Dick's, Macy's. So online, your biggest competitor in this area, West Palm Beach, going to be Johnson Fitness and Wellness. But here's the thing: is they sell everything, my man. So they sell any type of anything from ellipticals, treadmills, exercise bikes. I mean, they sell it all. So that's the only reason why they're beating you. But here's the thing: is they really do not have that many things. I mean, yeah, look, here's their website. It's just pictures. Now, as far as all their content and stuff, the reason why it's so popular is because all the things that they sell, right? So let's go, for example, this is their page. UR is going to be in the strength, okay? DR is going to be the popularity. 178 for your backlinks is how many backlinks that your page is going to backlink to. So let's say that it's on, for example, it's their website. Let's say this is going to backlink onto another page that they have, right? Or they interlink to their own pages. That's good to have. You want to get that up. The referring domains, this is going to directly basically pick and point at, what other sites your website is going to be on. So for example, let's say that you're on New York Times, okay? That's you consider yourself a referring domain. Let's say you're on New York Times and Forbes and you have two referring domains, right? They only have 76, okay? So with that being said, they have no organic keywords. So that's pretty easy to beat, man. Look, they're in first place too. Let me show you where you're at. This is your website right here. This is you. Your strength is at 2, your DR, your popularity is at 0. You have 17 backlinks, 3 referring domains, and 76 keywords. Okay, so you have a lot of good keywords, and you're already beating the first place person. So volume is going to be how many people or how many searches they are per month. The KD is going to be the keyword difficulty, right? CPC is going to be your pay-per-click. So basically, a pay-per-click is going to represent a visit or interaction with your company's product or service you're offering. Every click in a PCP campaign represents the attention from another person who is searching for something that you offer. So the thing is with Google, my man, is every time someone goes into Google and they type in something like athletic bands, resistance bands, gym work, right? Google's algorithms are going to automatically try to put that website based on what website can answer the most questions. So that's why it's so important to have so much good keywords and authoritative content on your actual page. So the traffic is the amount of clicks that they're actually getting. So they might search Bandit bands 250 a month, but it's getting only clicked on 29 times, right? And this is the position that you're in. So 3, 3, 3, 21, 26, 29, 30. So first page, and then second, third, going to the fourth, fifth. But these keywords are not that hard to rank for, okay? So that's what we got to focus on right there. And here's the thing that I do, man. With these videos that I'm doing, all these videos is complete free information, okay? You don't have to use these things if you don't want them, but what I find is a lot of business owners just don't have the time to go ahead and make their videos. So I go ahead and just one thing I provide for them is a free plan of attack, kind of what I do and how I do it. So if you want to do this for yourself, go for it. I'm just like to provide you value, kind of show you what I can do for people. If you want to go ahead and take this and use it, run with it. If you want me to do it for you, that's fine too. I'll be in touch. And I can also kind of tell you how to do some more better marketing when it comes to Instagram, Facebook, Google Ads, anything like that, YouTube. That way you can really start getting your website out there, so you can start seeing a higher ROI, return on your investment. So I'll be in touch, man. Hope you find this a little bit interesting, and hope you leave me some feedback. I will be in touch. Appreciate it.